Hello Fortnite fans and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting journeys you can take in 2025, starting your very own YouTube channel. Whether you're here to share your passions, build a brand, or just have fun, starting a YouTube channel is one of the best ways to connect with the people all over the world. This video is a complete guide to help you go from zero to creating content you're proud of. So grab your notebook, get comfy, and let's dive into it. You might be wondering, is it too late to start a YouTube channel in 2025? The answer is absolutely not. YouTube continues to grow every year with new tools, trends, and opportunities. Now is an incredible time to get started. Whether you're interested in gaming, tech reviews, lifestyle vlogging, or something completely different, there's still room for new creators to shine. And let's not forget that YouTube is one of the best platforms for building a long-term sustainable brand for a business. So don't let your fear or doubts hold you back. There's never been a better time to share your voice with the world. The first step to starting your YouTube journey is deciding what your channel is going to be about. This is called your niche. Do you love gaming, fitness, cooking, or maybe DIY projects? Choosing a niche will help you attract the right audience and make creating content easier. Along with that, think about your goals. Are you starting a YouTube channel as a hobby, or do you want to turn it into a full-time career? Knowing your why will help you stay focused and motivated as you grow. And remember, it's okay to experiment at first. Your niche can evolve over time as you find what works best for you. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your YouTube channel. Head over to YouTube and create an account if you don't already have one. Then create a new YouTube channel and give it a name that reflects your niche and your personality. Next, customize your channel by adding a profile picture, banner, and description. Make sure your branding is clear and visually appealing. People should be able to tell what your channel is about by looking at it. Don't forget to link your social media accounts and add a business email for collaborations. Now for the fun part, creating content. You don't need the most expensive gear to get started. A smartphone, decent lighting, and a good microphone can go a long way. If you have a little budget, consider investing in a tripod and a basic camera. For editing, free software like iMovie or DaVinci Resolve is great for beginners. As for ideas, think about what your audience would want to see. Tutorials, reviews, and personal stories are all great ways to start. Remember, your first videos don't have to be perfect. The key is to start creating and learn as you go. Editing is where your videos really come to life. Start by trimming unnecessary parts and adding transitions into your videos to keep your audience engaged. You can also include music, text, and effects to make your videos more dynamic. Once your video is ready, it's time to optimize it for YouTube. This means writing a compelling title, descriptions, and tags that include keywords your audience might search for. Also, don't forget to create a clickable thumbnail. A good thumbnail can make all the difference in whether someone clicks on your video or not. Congratulations, you've made it to the point where you're ready to upload your first video. But the work doesn't stop here. Share your video on social media, engage with your viewers in the comments, and keep an eye on your analytics to see what's working and what's not. Consistency is key to growing your audience on YouTube. Try to upload on a regular schedule so your viewers know when to expect new content from you. And don't get discouraged if growth is slow at first. Building a YouTube channel takes time, but every video you upload is a step closer to your goals. Finally, let's talk about staying consistent. It's easy to feel overwhelmed or lose motivation, especially when you're first starting out. But to stay on track, create a content calendar and set realistic goals for yourself. Celebrate small wins, like reaching your first 100 subscribers or getting your first comment. And most importantly, have fun with it. YouTube should be something you enjoy, not a source of stress. Remember, every successful YouTuber started exactly where you are right now, with 0 subscribers and a lot of questions. If they can do it, so can you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is an exciting journey, and I hope this guide has given you the confidence to take the first step. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments what kind of content you're planning to create. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Been a go, but it's some stuff I won't let her do. If I get to shooting this RPG, I need props like a stepper. Let's do it. They tried to get me with spike traps, they know I'm like that, smooth like a criminal. If they try to bite, I'ma bite back, man. I just swipe that, I need residuals. Been a go.